didn't walk by.
Go ahead, you're good.
Go ahead.
Kill, wait. Yeah, we can't go too far down. We have to go a hard road. We're gonna go to trenches. Alright. You go ahead. Let's get a circle. Come with you.
Hold on, there's two guys in front of you.
Kill, wait. Alright, go ahead. On the right hand side?
This is just where their tanks love to come down. This and that left side of CIA road.
Left.
She can kind of see. Okay.
Okay. Yep. Take the corner right here, Chase. You got the rest of the move, okay?
Huh?
You got the rest of the move. I'll take the corner right here, okay? Hey, movement, right, front.
Is the dead guy walking?
I can't see.
As I believe it is. There, he's dead, man. Charger in front.
Alright, go back, no point.
Do they have tags? Well, I mean, we'll block them off from getting into our spawn if we die. They stopped too.
They're probably getting tagged ready. Technical coming! Charger's right here. That Charger's right here.
Technical! Watch this guy.
Wait. Okay, turn your wheel to the
Here he comes, here he comes.
Back it up. Hard left. Straight up here, straight.
Straighten up.
Right slight some, right slight. Straight up. Half left. Straight up, straight, too much. Straight up all the way. Keep going.
I think it was at us, but I don't think it didn't hit us. Did it? Oh, that went way over there.
So Caleb, keep going. We're gonna pull it here. That way you can have cover, okay?
There comes another one.
Keep going.
I can't see it.
Forward, Caleb. Forward, hard right.
Off to the right.
Over there. Nope.
What is he doing? He's throwing his hands up.
He missed over there.
I know. It didn't blow up. It's gotta hit us, don't it?
No.
Or blow up, right?
Or blow up.
What are we doing?
We're just trying to get them to come through. Let's go forward. It didn't hit us, right?
It didn't hit the Jeep or the tank?
No.
Stop. So this guy get out of the way. Yeah, that's why it's gotta hit us or blow up within 10 feet of us, right?
Yep.
Yeah. They didn't blow up or hit us, so.
That's as far as I understand the rules. Yep. He's coming.
He's coming.
team should be killing them.
He's moving. Feel.
Hold on. I think they're just a moat. That's 2 on them.
I don't know. I want to get out of here though. Feel, left side.
Hold on. Just let these guys watch out first. My God. You got that guy straight in front of you. They're still coming. They might just be picking up their shit.
No, he's not.
So they didn't die off of the 2 that just went off?
Hey, tank behind us! Tank behind us! Let's go.
You're gonna have to move it.
I used to have a game on and I would watch it. I took it off.
Hey, tank behind us! Tank behind us!
Is that green? Corner CIA?
No, it's
God, damn. It's hard to tell through the brush.
He's moving over here.
Ditch. Deeper in the woods. Hey, Deep, not calling that, really?
Nope.
In the ditch! Watch the Connex, red Connex.
Is this our team down here?
Nah.
Got him, he's done.
They're gonna shoot us in the back here in a second. Watch that Connex to the right. I can shoot that, can I?
Connex, yeah.
Is that up? They're looking that way. I don't know if it's up or not.
Back up. We can't move. Mobilize.
Wasn't that guy dead?
No, right here at the sign. At the sign.
In the ditch. He said, dude,
We're done.
I just watched that hit. You hit him in the head 3 times.
I know.
Insane.
We're about to get shot in the back anyway.
Yeah. That's crazy when I watch you shoot him in the head 3 times. Fuck it. Let him. Am I recording? In the ditch is on our team. That guy's dead in the road. Well, I don't think he'd be standing there with our guy right there if he wasn't dead.
Who are they shooting?
Yeah, he's got dead right. Guys across the road, probably, or inside of CIA.
I'm looking on your right, Chase.
Yeah. Straight to the right is where they are. Make sure you're watching.
There they are, Chase.
Got one, there's another one on that corner. Pull up a little more. Yep.
In the Connex? Or this little building?
The corner of the Connex, is it in neutral? Yeah.
This little one here or over here?
I know they were on the far one.
There he is, Chase.
They're gonna be on the corner of the Connex. That was good.
I'm one. Doing fine. Oh, yeah, always.
Alright, just going right down the corner.
Hey, car, down the road.
They got tag rails on the right now.
There's a dude behind that car right straight down the road too. That car at the end, he's behind the front of it.
He's on the corner, Chase, on the corner. Backing up, backing up. Watch out behind you. Watch out behind you.
That's one, we're mobilized. That's two. I hit it. Yeah, get that red flag, we're dead. Get the red flag, we're dead. He hit us twice. Hit us in the tire with the first one, or with the second one. I need the flag. We're dead, I need the flag up under the front. Sorry, one hit me in the ass yesterday while I was standing here. Yeah.
See, we needed somebody watching our six.
You got the bleed out timer, Chandler?
If I hate you, I'm sorry.
Huh?
Hey, I'm Chandler.
I'm Chase.
I'm Craig.
And I'm Michaela.
And thank you for watching this airsoft video.